Well, here we are. It's just gone 10 o'clock in New York. It is just after 2 in the afternoon in London. Welcome to the 1 hour trade. As you can see from the top here, this is the result. 1 hour. We were in at this level. This is the barrier. And it's turned out rather nice, really. So, very happy. I've recovered the loss that we had earlier. Because I was a bit more confident about this trade. Let me just show you some. Bear with me. I'm going to pause the video because the video doesn't have much time to run. So just trying to build this account up. This is a real live account, okay? And this is the loss we took earlier today. As you can see, it is on the 12th of March, and that was on for 17 hours, but it didn't work out. Now, I only had a small amount on there. And this trade, I was a lot more confident about. So you'll notice that the payout here is much higher. So recouped some losses and have made a profit, and that's put us actually up on the day. So always a nice position to be in there. And just to look at the actual chart, the red the red vertical here is where we came out of the trade. And going back, whatever it was, 60 minutes. And to give you a big picture on the daily, it's like this. 4 hourly, it's that. So there's been a spike, mainly based on this situation with Rex Tillerson being fired by Trump. So that made the dollar weaker as soon as the announcement came out, and gone for a bit of a retracement. Not my favorite time of day to trade, but I just thought it was a nice technical setup. On the 15-minute, it looks like that, okay? And on the 5-minute, like that. And on the 1 minute, bang, that's the precise minute we came out. This is a demo account, but I like the chart, alright? And there could well be another one tonight. So, stay tuned, really, because there could be opportunities. So I hope these videos are helpful. Feel free to leave some polite comments in the comments section, and the plan is to have a trading room up and running soon, and soon I mean maybe in the next week or so, and we'll trade the New York session live. It will be a paid service, the one that's at 11 o'clock. But I'm going to try and do some freebie ones at about 10, which I can do for about half an hour or something. Okay, so wherever you are in the world today, I hope you're fitting well. And this is the trading room with me, Nick. And be good to each other, and hope the day has been good to you. Thanks for watching.